Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set different notification sound for different apps in Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, we need to go to our setting. Once we have opened the setting, we can go to the notification setting and then open up app notifications, and here we'll be able to customize notification sound of each application. Let's say I want to change the notification on my Instagram. So I'm going to select Instagram, and then we're going to go to the notification categories. And I'll go with, for example, the likes notification. I'm going to tap on the likes, and then we're going to go to the sound and choose the sound you want to apply to the likes notification from your Instagram. And I'm just going to select this one. Okay, and I'm going to apply different notification on another application. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to change the notification sound on TikTok. I'm going to select TikTok and then go to the notification categories, and I'm going to change the notification for the live. So I'm going to select live and then select sound, and I'm going to apply this sound for the live notification from TikTok. Alright guys, and that's all the way to set different notification sound for different apps in Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.